Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how secure your supply chain really is? From raw material suppliers to the moment your product reaches the customer, there are hundreds of unseen risks. A single weak link like a security breach, shipment delay, or data leak can cause massive financial and reputational damage. That's why supply chain security is not a choice anymore, it is necessity. This is where ISO 28000 comes in. It is an international standard designed to help organizations identify, assess, and control security threats throughout the supply chain. In this video, we will explore what ISO 28000 is, why it is crucial, and most importantly, how to implement it step by step in your organization. By the end, you will have a complete roadmap to make your supply chain secure, compliant, and resilient. Now the step-by-step implementation process. Now that we understand why ISO 28000 is important, let's break down how to implement it in your organization through a clear structured process. Step 1. Leadership commitment. Every strong system begins with leadership. Top management must demonstrate commitment by establishing a security policy, defining objectives, and allocating resources. A security management representative should be appointed to oversee the system's implementation. Now step 2. Define scope and context. Next, determine the scope of your supply chain security management system. Identify which sites, departments, or processes will be covered. Then analyze the context of your organization. Who are your stakeholders? What are your internal and external issues, and which legal or customer requirements apply? Step 3. Conduct risk assessment. This is the most critical phase. Perform a detailed risk assessment to identify threats like cargo theft, data breaches, piracy, counterfeit goods, or insider threats. Evaluate each risk based on its likelihood and potential impact on your operations. Create a risk register and prioritize your actions. Use a combination of physical controls like CCTV and logs, procedural controls like screening and documentation, and digital controls like GPS tracking and cybersecurity measures. This systematic approach ensures that risks are mitigated before they turn into incidents. Step 4. Legal and regulatory compliance. Before implementing controls, verify that your operations comply with all applicable laws, including customs, transportation, environmental, and data protection regulations. Create and maintain a legal register to track all relevant requirements. Now step 5. Develop policies and procedures. Now document your supply chain security policy and design supporting procedures. These should clearly explain how security will be managed on a daily basis. Examples include access control and ID verification, vehicle and shipment inspection, visitor management, incident response and escalation, supplier verification and audits, business continuity and recovery plans. Step 6. Training and awareness. People are your first line of defense. Conduct regular training sessions to educate staff on identifying suspicious activity, following protocols and reporting incidents. Simulated exercises such as unauthorized access attempts or tampered cargo scenarios help employees respond confidently in real situations. An aware and prepared workforce significantly reduces risk in the supply chain. Step 7. Implement operational controls and monitoring. Once training is done, put your system into action. Implement physical controls like barriers, surveillance, cameras, and seals. Procedural controls like logs and inspection forms, and digital systems like real-time shipment tracking. Establish performance indicators to measure effectiveness such as the number of incidents, response time, and compliance rates. Continuous monitoring ensures that any deviation is detected early and corrected promptly. Step 8. Conduct internal audits and management reviews. To verify system effectiveness, perform regular internal audits. These audits evaluate whether your procedures are being followed and whether security risks are properly managed. After audits, conduct management reviews to discuss findings, set new targets, and approve corrective actions. This ensures leadership remains engaged and informed about the system's performance. Now, the benefits and final message. In today's unpredictable world, trust travels through the supply chain, and ISO 28000 is the passport to that trust. It ensures your organization not only delivers products but also delivers security, reliability, and confidence. So start your journey today, analyze your risk, develop your system, and protect your supply chain the ISO 28000 way. Because in modern business, security isn't optional, it is your strongest guarantee. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TLV Academy.